This is a quick video that covers changing out the gas tank pressure relief valve on a 3rd generation Camaro or Firebird. Hawks finally released a reproduction version of the original that I've been waiting on for quite some time. Start by getting your car up onto jack stands. Remove the wheels. My car has rear coilovers, so to drop the axle, the coilover mount will need to be unbolted. On a stock car, simply unbolt the bottom shock mount. Remove the old pressure release valve. Mine was taped together and was essentially an open vent. Oftentimes I could smell just a little bit of gas coming out of it. Remove the 3/8 hose. The new valve opens at around 3 to 4 psi, just like the original. The old hose is obviously no good, so I cut a new 3/8 fuel line to replace it. Some lithium grease helps when installing the lines. Install the new line and vent. Then tighten down the hose clamps. Install the new vent until the clips lock into place, and that's it. Reinstall any suspension that was removed in previous steps. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram.